If you need to transfer data from one cloud to another, this video will walk you through the simplest methods step by step. Whether you're moving files from OneDrive to Google Drive to Dropbox, or any other cloud service, this process works great when you want a safe, easy, and beginner-friendly way to move your files without losing anything. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open your old cloud storage account. This could be OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, or any other cloud service where your files are currently stored. Once you're signed in, take a moment to locate the files or folders you want to transfer. You can move just a few documents, an entire photo folder, or even a large group of files depending on what you need. Now select the files you want to copy over to the new cloud. If you want everything in a folder, you can usually select the whole folder instead of picking files one by one. After that, look for the download button. Clicking download will save those files from the old cloud onto your computer. This step is important because in this method, your PC acts like the middle step between the two cloud services. Once the download starts, wait for it to finish completely. If the files are large, it may take some time, so be patient and let the transfer complete. When the files are done downloading, keep them in a folder that's easy to find, like Downloads, Desktop, or Documents. That way, when you're ready to upload them to the new cloud, you won't waste time searching for them. Next, open the new cloud storage account. This is the destination where you want your files to go. Sign into the new service using the correct account and make sure you're in the right cloud before uploading anything. For example, if you're moving from Google Drive to Dropbox, this is the point where you'd open your Dropbox account. If you're moving to OneDrive, go ahead and open OneDrive in your browser or app. Now that you're inside the new cloud, look for the upload button or sometimes a new button. Different services label this slightly differently, but the goal is the same. You want to choose the option that lets you add files or folders from your computer. Click on Upload, then choose Files or Folder depending on what you downloaded earlier. A file picker window will open, and from there, you just need to browse to the folder where your downloaded files are saved. Select the files or folder you want to transfer, then click Open or Upload to start the process. If you're uploading a lot of data, make sure your internet connection stays stable while the files are being added to the new cloud. Once the upload begins, wait until everything is fully finished. Don't close the browser too early and don't interrupt the process, especially if you're transferring a large folder or a lot of photos and videos. When the upload is complete, your files will now be stored in the new cloud account, which means your data has been successfully transferred from one cloud service to another. One thing to keep in mind is that the original files on your old cloud are still there unless you delete them manually later. So this method is very safe because nothing gets removed automatically. You stay in control the entire time, and you can double check that everything uploaded correctly before deciding whether to clean up the old account. If you want to make the process even smoother, try transferring in smaller batches, especially if you have a lot of files. That makes it easier to spot any missing items and helps prevent upload errors. Also, naming your folders clearly before downloading can save you a lot of time when you're moving everything into the new cloud. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer data from one cloud to another using a simple download and upload method. It's quick, safe, and works across the most popular cloud platforms. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to move their files too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.